Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect KineTick right here to NinjaTrader. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is go right here to Tools, Settings, and make sure that you enable right here multi-provider, because otherwise we can't connect. So enable it right here, do apply and then do OK. And then after that we go right here to connections. Then right here at connections, we go to configure, and then right here, we need to search here in or tap to KineTick. Then we double click on it. And then right now we can give this a name. So let's do KineTick. And then from here, we do connect on startup. So every time when we start our NinjaTrader, he will automatically open with KineTick. And then fill in right here your username and your password. And then once you did that, click right here on apply and then OK, and then it's done. I didn't fill in a username or password because I'm not using KineTick. But right now, when you're having KineTick, fill your username and password in and then you're done. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.